my channel. So in today's video I am going to be making some bread cookies and some like what are they called, vegan Rolo cookies. So these will be two separate videos, but I'm just going to use the same intro because I'm lazy and I'm making them on the same day. So yeah, I look like an absolute mess today. I'm so tired and just not worth it. So first of all, you're going to need a large mixing bowl. So you do need this because it doesn't need big glass, just any large mixing bowl, because the batter gets very big. And you're also going to be needing some form of measuring scales. Now, my measuring scales have very sadly decided to disappear. So I'm using another one and I'm terrible at maths, so this one for me is a bit of torture. Scales to 0. There. So these cookies are absolutely amazing. So for the Pride cookies, I bought, you can just make this, but this is what I'm currently resting my phone on. It's very good for that. So if you need a cheap tripod, these. So yeah, I've got these and they're vegan. So I'm gonna be using these for the frosting. I need all the colours in the rainbow, so I'm gonna be doing that. But I did make a birthday cake last week, so I did keep all the frostings from that, so hopefully there's a few in there. So it's 175 of this, and then it is 100 of each sugars. Tablespoon of this. I accidentally just added a bit too much there, and I also forgot to mix these. So if you're not like me, please just mix them up. I realised that after I added it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in our flour. So that's 250. So my thing is not working, so we're just gonna go up to the 400. And then the 50 mark after that. Yeah. So once we've got that, we're going to add in a bit of baking powder. Too much. Yeah. So I'm just going to give this a little mix on the top. May have been a bit too much salt, but that's fine. Right, let's take it off these scales and then let's mix it. So once I've mixed a little bit, I'm gonna go get some gloves on, mix it, I guess, and then yeah, that is about it. And then I'll put it on to a tray, and then that is it. Yeah, literally.